Kyle Baldock is a park and dirt powerhouse. He's won several X Games Dirt competitions in the past. Watch out for the big trick firepower.
Back flip bars from the Barson. Front flip no-hander onto the last jump. 360 tail to bar spin to the quarter pipe. 540 flare right there. That's the first time we saw that one today.
And just again, it's so casual. It comes so easy for that guy. He makes that look ridiculously smooth and dialed.
That's what he does, and that's the reason why he had 3 X Games gold medals in dirt in a row.
In a row, which has only been done one other time, by the way, by Corey Bowen.
All right, here's the quarter pipe, 540 flare. You can see he corks out. It's like a mix between a 900 cork and a 540 flare. It's kind of the same situation with the cash roll, how that could be an off-axis 720 or it can be a front flip 360. It depends on the rider.
Now, last year at BMX Dirt in Austin, he had the single highest run score of the competition in the final. However, last year's format, you needed 2 runs. It was 2 runs combined, and he had a slip up on his last run, and it wasn't enough. But prior to that, he had 3 wins in a row. He won in Austin 14 and 15, and the only contested dirt event in 2013, which was in Foz do Iguaçu, Brazil. So what is it going to be? He's the last guy to go in the rotation here. That is the completion of round number 1 here. It's Nick Bruce in the top spot with a 90 flat. The bubble score is a 74.33. That is Brian Fox. You know, and this is the tough part. When you're down there, you get done with your run and you're waiting and you're looking up at that big screen and you're like, okay, what's it going to be? Like, what goes through your mind when you're standing there looking at that screen waiting for the score to pop up?
Anxiety. That's what's going through you.
You just sum that up in one word.
You know, you're waiting to see if you're going to be able to make it into the biggest competition of the year right now. So Kyle did a fantastic run. I think he's going to get a great score. Oh, wow.
Oh, a 90.33, so a couple of tenths of a point ahead of Nick Bruce, but Kyle Baldock sits in the top spot at the end of round 1 out of 2.